y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Moody and I am back with another video. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you do not already have your post notifications turned on, then go ahead and turn them on so that you will know when I post, you know. Today I am doing a demo / review on the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and this is what it looks like. Whoa. Y'all, I love this palette. I love it. So I did use these shades on my eyes as well as on my face. So if you want to see how I, did it, then just keep watching. So I'm not really going to make this part a tutorial, simply because I think I've done basically this look before. If not, I'm sure I will. It's just a simple, like, glammed up type neutral using the palette. I'm just going to, like, speed through it, probably. Okay, so I finally have basically the rest of my face, my highlight, or not my highlight, well yeah, my foundation, highlight, and contour. Now I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place palette. This one is the Saharan Blush Volume 1. This is what it looks like. Look at her. So this is the colors that I did use on my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my face. I'm gonna take the darkest shade down here, which is Abby, and I'm going to use that to chisel out my cheekbones to contour. Okay. Okay. There has to be a mirror. Okay, so it does kind of have like a little red tint, pink tint to it. It doesn't look that way right here, but it's not bad. Unless, my brush isn't 100%. I know it ain't 100% clean, but dang. That's cute. It's cute. Yeah, that's pretty much the color. You ain't try to go in like that, girl. You ain't trying to go in like that. Oh. So it's really high in pigments. The pigments show up great. Obviously, as you can see, as well as on my eyes, like I love playing with it for my eyeshadow. But I will say this color has like it's a good bronze shade for those like women of color out there who are looking for bronze colors, because it's so hard to find something that's gonna bronze instead of like shadow, which is contour. So this one actually is not that bad. I like it. think my nose is ever this strong, but it is what it is. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's cool. It's cool. What y'all think? I think that's a really good bronzing color. I really like it. Oh my god. I like it a lot. That's so cute. So I didn't know what I wanted to do with the blush. And honestly, the color that is like on my face that I use for bronzer, I assume to be this color, which is Neo. That's how I assumed. I assumed it to look more like Neo. Actually, Neo is looking like more lighter on camera, but yeah. So for blush, I'm gonna do Zane. I typically don't go that bright with my blush, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go over it with Toby. I feel like those two will be pretty together, so let's just see how that goes. I'm scared. I don't do this color. Oh Lord, it's pink. It was so pink. It's showing up though. And it kind of got, it looked like it got its own little glow to it, unless that's just me. But yeah, this is pink, honey. This is pink. And I'm barely tapping it, like barely, because I'm already scared. Pink, hunty. It does kind of look, oh, it's so pink. It does kind of like it's running together with the, well, not really, not much. Now I'm going with Toby, which is the orange, to kind of calm it down. I do typically do like a orange type shade or berry or something. You know, just like I said, it was gonna be cute together. I'm gonna stop putting on blush. I'm gonna stop putting on blush because it's getting out of hand. I really like it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it all, baby. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Before I put the highlighter on, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with some rose water because I always do that after I do my blush and contour before I highlight and everything. So for the highlight, I'm gonna go in with Lila, which is this one here. I did Zara on my eyelids, so I'm gonna do Lila by itself first, and then I'm probably gonna put Zara over it. I just wanna see how Lila looks, so I can say I used everything in the palette the first time. Oh. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have not had to. Do y'all see this glow? Like, do y'all see the darn glow? This is like one pickup. Now I'm about to go in with Zara over it. Just intensify a little bit, baby girl. Intensify a little bit. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh. This is like everything. Y'all don't even know how I'm obsessed with this palette. Let me finish my lips and I'll be back. You know what? I'm not mad. I'm not mad at the dark lip. I don't do dark lips, but I ain't mad at